Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Tallycat here, hitting you guys up with another video. In this episode, we got a package straight from Orlando, Florida. I did a trade with Nick over there at Hellspawn 0666, and this is what he sent me. So let's get into it, because I got another one to do. Shit, man. It looks like a damn box straight from Mattel. Awesome, brother. That's definitely a lot of cards in there. Appreciate it, bro. Let's start off from the top. Got a Lincoln. Love this car. Oh, yeah. 57 Chevy. I already have this one, but I had it loose and I've had it for a while. It's kind of banged up. Glad to have a new one. Badass. 70 Dodge Charger. Badass. Oops. Oh, that one's cool. Got some loose cars. We'll open them right down at the end. '70 Plymouth AR Cuda. Yup, Bone Shaker. It's one of my favorites right there. He knows what I like. Right on, right on. Oh, this one's badass. I hadn't seen this one. Different paint. Pretty sweet. Nomad. That's badass right there. What? Oh shit. This one's fucking sweet. Look at that. Definitely gonna open this one up. Fuck. As a matter of fact, check that out. It's a beauty. Thanks, brother. That's gonna be my favorite. It's gonna go over there in my rack. Got a loose one. Mustang Funny car, I believe. Very sweet. 32 Ford. Another badass car. The Volkswagen Bus. Love it. Gotta love the buses. The Merc. Pretty sweet. What is this? Is this a Batmobile or something? First edition. The Governor. It's pretty sweet. Oh, that one's sick too. The armored truck. Sweet. Badass Camino right here. Sick. That one's sick right there too. Love the paint apps on this one. Black and silver. Sometimes I wish I was a Raiders fan for the colors, but you know me. Hell yeah, this T-Bucket's badass right here. Love the paint job. Purple and green. Pretty sweet. That Lolo? Shit, man. Plymouth Barracuda. And yeah, love that hot rod. Sweet. Check out the loose ones. What is this one? That's pretty sick. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Got a couple more loose ones. Oh, sick. I know you can tell, but look at that, you can see right through it. That tripped out or what? Crazy. That's a cool car, man. Ah, this was fucking shit. A little Doom Buggy. That's cool right there. That was badass, bro. Oh shit, check this out. This one fell down here. Sweet. Jaded. Got some more loose ones. Ferrari. Or Lambo. No, it's a Lamborghini. Is that an Impala? Or GTO? Can't make it out anyway. It's a cool car. Yeah, man, there it is. Got the hookup. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate you sending me a lot of cool cars. Gotta say that's my favorite though. That's a big stack right there. Fucking Hot Wheels. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Whenever you need anything else again, let me know. Look at that beauty. Sweet. Y'all hit up Elspawn0666. Rock on. Devil's Hordes. Peace. Laters.